quick little video, guys. These are 3 tools that are very relatively inexpensive that every cultivation facility should have. Let's start with this one. This is a temperature humidity meter. This is going to tell you the temperature. It's going to tell you the humidity. It's going to tell you the dry bulb and the wet bulb. And it's very accurate and responds very fast to change. We'll go more into dry bulb, wet bulb in another video. Then we have here a laser infrared thermometer. Allows you to check temperatures from distance, supply and return temps very easily. And then the last one, this is your trusty handy dandy multimeter with a clamp meter. This is used to look at amps across a compressor shorted to ground. These tools can be used not just for HVAC, but many aspects inside your cultivation facility. Buy these 3 tools and learn the basics of how to use them. It'll save you a lot of headaches.